scratching his back, isn't he? Now, Polo, you gotta watch out. You might get scared in there. Wait. What are you doing, Cal? Look at you, silly horse. Oh my goodness. That's the funniest thing. You scratching your back? Well, I can scratch your back for you, honey. Watch out, Polo. Don't scare him. They think he's scratching something but his back. He's scratching his back. See, that feels good. Is that a good back scratch? Let me scratch on the other side. That's a good back scratch. That's a good back scratch. Oh my goodness, that's a good back scratch. Oh. Oh. It's a good back scratch. Oh. There you go. See, I'm scratching my back. How can they not figure that out? It's very obvious you're scratching your back. You see him scratching his back? Hi, Calvin. Hi, Cal. You scratching your back? Is that a good back scratching? You're so funny. Oh, you're so smart. I mean, I hope you're okay. Oh, that's a good back scratching. Might have a wild horse roundup if we're not